Hello everyone, here is this carrier I found. Forgot to see this yet up close. This is a different coil carrier Weathermate. GE. Oh, this one's got a GE commercial fan motor. I think that's a replacement motor back like 14 years ago. And that one's from 2005. Actually, I think that's the replacement motor for I think, has been running too. Let's see what this one has. I don't know what type of compressor, maybe a Copeland scroll. Or no, that's a Millennium scroll. Or a Carwell. Carwell is made by Millennium. 2005, 3-ton. Yeah, that has been on. Suction line was cold and sweaty. Hopefully I'll get a startup of it next time. But I think that's the replacement motor. I think they installed it in 2009. So yeah, thank you for watching. See the model number on this thing before I end the video. 38B. Oh! Started up right here. The model number is 38BRG. The engine started up right as I looked at the model number. It sounds very quiet too. It doesn't need the compressor to be replaced. But yeah, here's the carrier not running with startup. Blades are working so smooth, one is a little bit bent. But yeah, that thing just started up. So yeah, and there is an Arctic King window unit also running. So yeah, here's the carrier not running. Here is a 2005 carrier Weathermate not running with startup. So yeah, over and out.